Hi friends, I've seen this question in almost every exam in different forms. And once you know the technique, you can solve it in less than 10 seconds. From this, can you find value for x square plus 1 by x square? For that, take square of the first equation. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x into 1 by x is 16. X and x will get cancelled and the value for x square plus 1 by x square is 16 minus 2, 14. Now what about x cube plus 1 by x cube? How to find that? Don't worry, you don't need to take cube and then go on. I'll give you a simple formula to use in every question. X raised to the power n plus 1 by x raised to the power n is x plus 1 by x raised to the power n minus 1 plus 1 upon x raised to the power n minus 1 minus x raised to the power n minus 2 plus 1 over x raised to the power n minus 2. We already have values for n equal to 2 and n equal to 1. This will give us x cube plus 1 by x cube. X plus 1 by x is 4. X square plus 1 by x square is 14 minus x plus 1 by x, that is 4. So 56 minus 4, 52. Similarly, calculate for x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. X plus 1 by x, 4. X cube plus 1 by x cube, 52 minus x square plus 1 by x square, 14. 208 minus 14, 194. In the same way, we'll calculate for x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5. 4 into 194 minus 52. So 776 minus 52 gives 724, which is your final answer. In the same way, you can solve for x raised to the power 6, 7 or any number.